After so much of preparation, I don't know whether the song will be that good. Yes. Nathan is the darling baby boy of our church, and we are all delighted and extremely glad that he is 1 year old and then he is being dedicated to me. So I have been thinking what will be an appropriate song to sing during the dedication, and my wife Jayati, she actually pointed to a verse, and of course you know this verse. It's Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. So I was looking for a song that has that message, and the closest I could find is a song sung by Pastor Sam Robinson Talluri. I'm sure some of you know, he's the pastor of East West Church at the San Fernando Valley. So the song has words of the following: Unnai Kaapar, my God will take care of you as the apple of your eye. And then wherever you go, the society will follow you. Whatever service you do, it will be according to God's will. And you will shine as a light. And then if God is supporting the whole world, He can easily support you. And so I had to give all this introduction because we just kind of patched up our song. So Ruben always tries to get the original sound recording and tries to cut and bring it to us. So that's Ruben, and then Simeon, of course, plays the tabla. And I have this dress just to compensate for my bad singing.
Unai
உலகத்தை தம் கரத்தில் தாங்கிடும் தேவன் அவர் அன்பின் கிரீடம் நீ உன்னை காக்க மாட்டாரோ உலகத்தை தம் கரத்தில் தாங்கிடும் தேவன் அவர்